guys! Welcome to our channel! Today we will be making soft and chewy oatmeal raisin cookies. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of unsalted butter softened to room temperature. 1 cup of packed light or dark brown sugar. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of molasses. 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 3 cups of old-fashioned whole rolled oats. 1 cup of raisins. You may soak your raisins in warm water for 10 minutes before using. Blot very well to dry them. First, using a hand mixer, cream the softened butter and both sugars together on medium speed until smooth, about 2 minutes. Add the eggs and mix until combined. Add the vanilla and molasses and mix until combined, then set aside. In a separate bowl, whisk the flour, baking soda, and salt together. Then add to the wet ingredients and mix on low speed until combined. Beat in the oats and raisins. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, then chill the dough for 30 to 60 minutes in the fridge. Bake the cookies in a 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 12 to 14 minutes until lightly browned on the sides.